Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how we can actually start styling our images after we've added them to Microsoft Word. So in the previous video I showed you how you can crop them, and before that I showed you how you can resize them, but maybe you want to make changes to it. Maybe you want to add shadows and reflections and borders and all sorts of stuff to your image. So all you got to do is go ahead and select your image that you want to make the changes to. Come over here to the picture format tab on your ribbon, then you're going to have this picture styles section. So you have some preset styles here that you can select, and if you miss what I did, if you hit the drop down arrow and you highlight any one of these, you can start to see what these preset styles will do to your image. So maybe you'll see one on here that you like, or you may get a little bit creative and just do it yourself. So if you want to go ahead and start adding things yourself after your image is, while it's still selected, you can go ahead and choose if you want to add a border. So maybe we can add this border, and then we can even come over here, we could change the color of the border. You can also add effects, so we can do things, we can add in a preset effect. You can see some of those there. You can add in, you can customize the shadow, the reflection, the glow. I don't know, that looks very 1990s to me, but to each their own. So hopefully you'll find something on there that you like. And there's even the ability where you can actually change the picture layout as well. So these are some of the different options that you can modify the image. You can see right there, that's kind of cool, I guess, because then you could put in, like maybe at the top of your document, you have a setup like this where you have your image right there in a little circle, and then next to it you have your name. So that's an option there. But yeah, those are some of the different options that are available to you while you're styling your images on Microsoft Word.